Hello guys, welcome to Everything Metallurgy, and today is the first day where we are starting our new series which is EMPICS. So as I have already mentioned in one of the previous video, we will be coming out with the most important gate questions, of course from the previous year models. We will be trying to explain them in the course of time. So this series will contain 55 core questions and 10 aptitude questions. So we are just kind of picking up important questions, important models from the previous year questions and making these videos for you. So this is day 1 of EMPICS for you. And before moving further, I wanted to actually tell you that we are going to start our live crash course from December 5th. So if at all people who are interested, do ping us on WhatsApp and check the description for the details. Okay, now again one more announcement. So basically we are planning to do webinars with already established gate toppers or people who are already cracked and into some PSUs or PhDs abroad and many more things. So we are planning to come out with meta micro stories, which will also be started from December 4th. So I'll be providing the link for that too, so that you can register. This is going to be a free webinar, by the way. And in the episode 1, we have Rishabh Kumar, who is Air 5, All India rank 5 in 2018 and currently who is in IOCL. So do check the description box below to find the details for the live crash course as well as the free webinars that we are going to hold. So yes, without any further delay, let's get started with EMPICS. So this is the first question. So again, this is from GATE 2020. Okay, this is 2-mark question. So if you just go through this particular question, it is very simple. Okay, it looks like it is a complicated question, but it is not. Carefully, let us try to understand what the question says. It says that we have magnesium tin phase diagram. Okay, MgSN phase diagram, which exhibits two eutectic formations on either side of the high melting point intermetallic line compound Mg2SN. Okay, so here till now it is clear we have two eutectic reactions in the phase system or phase diagram, and these two are on either side of a line compound. So basically we have intermetallic compounds formed in any phase systems, right? Similarly in this system too, in this Mg tin system also, we basically have Mg2SN line compound or intermetallic compound. Why is it called a line compound? Because it has a fixed composition. Okay, so intermetallics are what? Or maybe you can say intermetallic compound. That means only if a particular composition is achieved, then only this compound can be formed, right? H2O, for example, 2 moles of hydrogen and 1 mole of oxygen are required for a water molecule to be formed. Same way, for any intermetallic compound, we are not talking about a solid solution. Remember, we are just talking about a compound. For a compound, we have fixed composition. Okay, that is why in phase diagrams we have what? We have temperature versus compositions, correct? And because it is a fixed composition, you see something like this. This line is for an intermetallic compound. Okay, clear with that? So in our case, this line is for Mg2S, okay, which is the intermetallic compound in this system. Now, what is the other thing that they are telling? They are telling that these two eutectic reactions are on either side of this line. That means one on this side, one on this side. Simple. And what is a eutectic reaction? Here itself we have eutectic reaction is when one liquid is actually split into two solids. Very simple. But carefully, what you need to observe here is the compositions. Okay, the compositions, of course we know that this reaction is on one side of Mg2SN line and this is on the other side. Now if that is the case, what should be the first thing that you need to think about? The first thing that you need to think about is what is the composition X for Mg2S. Okay, only then you can divide the whole phase system into two parts. Okay, So how to do it? As I told, we have a fixed composition and we have the molecular formula. You can simply go about and calculate. What do you calculate? You calculate percentage 10. Let's say this is XSN. Okay. So percentage 10 in my compound Mg2S. This is what you need to calculate. How you can calculate? Simple. We have the atomic weights given. If you carefully see, the atomic weights are given over here. And in this particular compound, we have two atoms of magnesium and one atom of Sn. So the percentage of 10 would be what? The weight of Sn in the compound divided by, what do we have? We have 2 times weight of Mg plus the weight of Sn. Why? Because we have 2 atoms. Of course, if you want to convert into percentage, you need to multiply by 100. So if you just do this, you will have 118.7 divided by 2 into magnesium is 24.3 plus 118.7. Simple. So if you just do it, you will be getting approximately 70.95 percentage. Okay, for simplicity, let's consider this as 71 percentage. Clear? 71 percentage is 71 percentage of what? Of 10. So if I want to construct an MgSn phase diagram, what is the first thing that I got from here? So in order to construct an MgSn phase diagram, what is that you need to do? You already got that the percentage Sn in Mg2S, this is approximately 71 percentage. So if you are actually drawing my Mg2Sn phase diagram, you have a line compound somewhere here at 71 percentage. Okay, and this is nothing but my Mg2S. Clear till now? Okay, so the first thing is okay. Now coming back, what is the next thing? You need to take these reactions into count. Of course, maybe this phase diagram which you are constructing is not that accurate, but it's okay. If you get how to go about it, it's fine. Okay, so here let's see what are the temperature. One is 561, the other is 203. Okay, again 561 is actually, what is the weight percentage of Sn? Carefully see, 36.9, which is less than my Mg2S, and the other one is, other eutectic is at 97.87, right? So we have 2 eutectics, one on either side of the Mg2S line compound, but also the temperatures are different. One is at 561, the other is at 203. Okay, you got it? Why this is, this difference is there from the given reactions itself? You got it. From at 561, you just take a line something like this, and at what is the other temperature? That is 203, I guess. Yeah, 203. This is what you have. And of course, eutectic diagrams look something like this, correct? And the other eutectic is somewhere here. Maybe this actually will go a bit this way because the percentage is high. Okay, this is how we have got the 2 eutectic reactions, one here, one at here. What are the compositions? Simple. This is 36.9 percentage, correct? I'm just taking from here 36.9 at 561, 97.87 at 203. Okay, 203. So this is what? 97.87, and this is what? This is my 71, which is already there. Now, so this is done. Forget about all the other phases and all. So this particular region is totally liquid. Okay, again, don't bother about the slopes. It may be like this also, like this also. We don't know actually. So let's consider that everything is liquid here. Okay, so one is Mg2S, and of course the other is the components alpha and beta. Correct? Now, what is the next thing that you need? What is the main question actually? I think I did not tell you. After the eutectic reaction has gone to completion and equilibrium has been achieved at a temperature below 561 degrees, that means less than 71 side, the amount of eutectic constituent present in the alloy Mg 50% Sn Very easy. So they want somewhere here 50% alloy. How much is the constituent of eutectic? Simple. So just apply what? Lever rule. Very basic. So from here I think everybody should be able to do. So on one end we have 36.9, on the other end we have 71%, and here somewhere here we have my 50% and where you actually need to calculate the eutectic. So what is eutectic? Eutectic is on this side, correct? That is where the eutectic reaction is taking place. Okay, and on the other side what do we have? That is Mg2Sn. Okay, so this line is actually indicating equilibrium between my alpha and Mg2Sn, but as it is hyper eutectic, that means greater than the eutectic composition, you take this one below this temperature, below this particular 560 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, so that means here we take the eutectic and the Mg2Sn into consideration because those two are in equilibrium below this temperature. Simple. So now what you need to do, just apply lever rule. So percentage eutectic, you need to calculate the percentage eutectic, that is equal to what? The opposite lever by the total length. So opposite is how much? That is 71 minus 50 divided by total is how much? 71 minus 36.9. Of course percentage will be into 100, and this will be approximately 62%, 61.5 around you will be getting. And of course even 71 we approximated. So if you look at the options given 25, 38, 62 and 75, the right answer is 62. Okay, so this is one of my favorite question, okay, which is also very conceptual question. So that is why maybe the video became a bit lengthy, but yes, I wanted to explain each and every bit of the question and the concept behind it. So what did I do? From the given question, I actually calculated the composition of Mg2Sn, then I tried to plot the phase diagram so that it will be very easy for me to apply the lever rule. Okay, so from the percentage Sn, I took one on the other side and the other on the other side as given in the question itself, and it is clear even if they did not mention that. Carefully if you observe the weight percentage of eutectic, it is very much evident. Okay, so that is why you need to be very much keen in studying the question, in reading the question. Okay, so this is how you need to go about this question. So I hope you like our new approach towards this YouTube channel, and I hope you will be active for the next couple of months, since till GATE examination. And yes, we are open to any suggestions or any video ideas that you can give us. So do comment down below, and definitely don't forget to visit our website everythingmetallurgy.com, where you can already access one of the best and affordable test series, as well as the recordings, pre-recorded courses of the full course as well as the previous year course. And if you want to come and attend an interactive session, a live session, then we are launching the live crash course, as I have mentioned, starting from December 5th. Do ping us on WhatsApp for the further details. So that is it from my side for today. We'll meet you again tomorrow with question number 2 from EM Picks for GATE Metallurgy. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot for watching.